What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Flipping Cars to the Top. If you remember in my last video, and that was probably about a month ago now, thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel though. Thank you to everyone that has stuck around. I haven't been making much content, but you guys still stick around, so I do want to say thank you very, very much. I feel like something's crawling on my arm now. We're in a new car, guys. The only problem is this car I've decided to keep now. We've got a sunroof. It feels a bit damp, does it? Does it feel damp? No. Feels a bit cold. Feels a bit cold. Stinks in here. It's giving me a headache, so I want to be really quick. We need to get this car cleaned and make it fit to be driven. Now, this is a one owner car, guys. 0 owners on the logbook. 1 owner from new. It's got full service history. This car has got the highest mileage I've ever seen on a classic car, but in absolutely perfect working order. The oil in this car, guys, is like honey. This car is outstanding. When I mean outstanding, it is outstanding. You may not look it, you may not smell it. Underneath this car is completely rust free. There is no rust underneath this car. It is like a tank. Listen to this door. Just listen to the wind outside. It's like double glazing. Woo! Now, let's have a look at it. I've got into a little bit of a pico as well. As you can see, that window, I did want to do the windows up because obviously the wind was blowing outside, as you just heard. I did try doing the window up. No, don't work. First problem I'm facing now is that window don't go up. So we got a little bit of a problem there. And it's getting winter time. Well, it is getting rainy. It is winter time here in the UK. It's freezing, it's cold, it's rainy. We need to get that window fixed. So let's get out of the car, have a quick look around it. We'll do a little walk around, we'll do a little talk. In fact, let me flip the camera around, show you exactly what I'm looking at right now. So let's have a look. Oh my God. This is the bit where I'll be like, my life be like, ooh. Yes, sir. Have a look at that. Oh, there we go. She's focusing. Look at that wood. What is it? Veneer, whatever it is. I don't know. Just look at that. Just look at that leg room. Just look at that. Look at that radio. Look at them heat-ins. Look at that automatic box. Chops would love that. Look at the hand sanitizer. Definitely need it in this bad boy. But we have got a Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz, what is it, a 1989, if I'm not mistaken, or 1988 420 SEL S-Class. Bad to the bone. Ooh, yeah, let's get out and have a look. Right, let's listen to that. Woo! All right, guys, let me step back now because this car is huge. Now, look at that. Mercedes 420 SEL. Pretty good condition. As I said, 1 owner from new. We do have a few little rust spots, like, you know, there, but that's solid. That is solid. It looks like, it really does look like a Hummer. I mean, look at the size of them wheels. That is nuts, man. That is so big. That is crazy big. Just look at that. 1 owner from new. Oil is like honey. Full service history. 2 keys. All the booklets. 0 owners on the logbook, 0 owners. So this is from 1988 or 1989. I'm not too sure, guys. Just got the car. I thought I was going to share this moment with you. And yeah, I don't know much about these cars. I do know that they are badass cars. I know these are like dictator cars. I've always wanted one of these. And my plans for this is hopefully get it on an air ride, drop it, just lower it, maybe lowering springs, but air ride would be proper sick. Some deep dish wheels. Sort the paint out. I don't know, we'll see. Definitely straight pipe it. This is a 4.2 litre V8. 4.2 litre V8. And that's why it is 420 SEL. Look how long it takes me to walk around it. Look at that. Look at that rib. Rib something. That looks really good. Absolutely stunning little car, or stunning big car. Definitely gotta love it. 100%. Pop these doors open, have a look at the back. Don't mind these parts here. These are for the Fiat Punto. The heating or fan is not working. We actually need to get back and get that sorted out. But have a look at that. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Guys, as you see this here, we need to get there. Someone's bought the Fiat Punto, one of my brother's mates, and the heating stopped working. So I've gone to Euro Car Parts. I bought the things that could be the problem. We need to get back home and get that sorted out. So I might just include that in today's video, as well as going to drop off the car. Listen to that door. Oh yes, oh yes. Should we pop the bonnet? Check it out, guys. Radiator looks like brand new. Look at that ABS. Okay, now, man, thought that thing was going to fall on me. So what we have here, guys, is, so this is meant to be a 4.2 litre V8. This actually is the 520 or 560 engine in it. It has an engine swap. No, I'm just kidding. It looks different because the 420s that I've looked online didn't have this. The airbox, it's only got one scoop coming over this side here. So I'm not actually sure why this one has two. I do know the 5 litres or 560s have the two, so I need to double check if this is the original engine for the car. However, I think it is. I think maybe someone just switched over the airboxes because it's probably something very simple to do. But yeah, have a look at it. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's get back in the car. Right, where was I? Had to stop to get a few pictures. Like I was saying, it's a good thing it's not raining because it leaks water. Got a few problems with it. A few teething problems. I mean, it stinks in here and it's driving me insane. But turn that key on. Woo! Woo! Let's get that window shut. Let's get that door shut. Fucking car shakes. Bad boy. Right, guys, got some massive plans for this car, but we gotta go and get that Fiat Punto sorted. Check the mileage out. Look at the mileage. Yes, son. Gotta be one of the most highest mileage. Gotta be one of the most highest mileage in the UK, probably. Not too sure. That's running and driving in this condition and rust free. It's holding out well for the UK weather since that year till today. I think it's pretty good condition, to be fair. Let's go and get this Fiat Punto sorted out. I will continue the video on this car at a later stage. Another video coming very soon. We need to clean it. We need to get this interior cleaned. I just thought I'd introduce the car to you guys because I'm so excited to have this. I couldn't explain how happy I am just to be driving this car. So yeah, it means a lot to finally get one of my dream cars, one of many. I do have my very first car, VW Lupo. I love small little cars for some reason. I love old small little cars. I do have a classic Mini as well. I've got so many projects that one day, guys, we will get round to doing. For now, this is running and driving, so we will be keeping this car as my daily driver. I'm going to clean it up, get some deep dish wheels, maybe tint the back windows, maybe tint the front windows. I don't know, we'll see. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. We've got an absolute beast. Straight pipe, definitely going to be happening. Hopefully I can do like a valve system or something so it's not too loud when I'm getting up in the morning. I don't know, we'll figure it out. For now, let's go and get this Fiat Punto sorted.